There was once a man who was shipwrecked and landed on an island. Every day he prayed, asking God to send someone to save him. But to his disappointment, no one ever came. Months passed, and this man learned how to survive on the island. During this time, he collected things from the island and stored them in a hut he had constructed. One day, after hunting for food and returning to his hut, he saw that his hut was on fire, along with everything else he owned. All his possessions were going up in smoke. The only thing he was left with were his clothes on his back. He was shocked to see the fire. He felt angry. In his fury, he began cursing God and started shouting,
"God, how could you let this happen to me? I have been praying every day for months, and now everything is on fire. How could you do this to me?"
Later, the man was on his knees and crying when he suddenly saw a ship coming in his direction. The ship came closer to the island and saved the man. The man asked the captain of the ship,
"How were you able to find me?"
The captain replied,
"We were voyaging across the ocean when we noticed smoke going up from the island. We decided to check out, and that is how we found you."
The man felt sorry for cursing God. He realized that everything happens for the good, and God is always with us. Moral: God loves us and is always with us. During our hard times, we start complaining that God is not paying attention to us. But the fact is that God never takes his eyes off us. God has plans for each one of us. We should trust his plans and see the good in them.